What a beautiful day here in the farm. But today actually is my last recording before we go off on a little vacation. And we're headed off to North Carolina to do some fall color and all that good stuff. So today we're going to give you a little sort of update on our little project that I showed you earlier on with the pond. Oksana's in here working, and you'll see what we're doing. Of course, it won't be finished, but hey, you know, it's a progress. And when we get back, we'll hopefully have some nice footage of our trip into the North Carolina area. We're going to be visiting some farms up there and what have you. Going vacation from a farm to visit farms. Now that's interesting. There's a farmer for you. You like my nice little bandana? Well, here we are on that beautiful project I was telling you about. And I've done it quite a bit already, but I figured I'd bring you in and let you know. Now, this has got nothing to do with farming. We're not doing a farming thing today. This is a personal thing. Remember the pond I was telling you about? Well, we're concreting in between the patio stones, so you get to watch a little bit. Not that I'm a professional by no stretch of the imagination. Believe me. Thank goodness for YouTube. Anyway, you'll see what we're doing. My beautiful wife, Oksana, she laid all these flagstones by herself. And she's only 5 feet 2.5 inches. Amazing! But she did it. So here we go. Take a look. Oh, what we'll do is this. Then we have a squeegee. And we're gonna squeegee it in. Being the fact that this is pretty wet, the concrete mix finds its own level relatively easily, and we let that sit. Here we go. More concrete. Okay. So that's my last bucket. I have to go down to the supply store now and get more. So I'll be off there in a bit to do that. now what we do is we very lightly, with a light fan of water, we fan off the excess concrete that sits on top of the flagstone. The concrete has been sitting probably for about 15-20 minutes, just enough to give it a set a little bit, but still soft enough to wash. Now we have the finished look. You think we should hire Oksana? She did a pretty good job, right? Actually, an excellent job. Now this is the next challenge. We'll give you a little bit before. And we're off on the second phase. And here is the lady. She's at it again. No stopping, Oksana. Stop it. Here we go. Now, of course, you all might be thinking this. Well, why aren't you up there, Mark, doing that? Well, the fact is, there's the first one. Here's the answer to that question. What's the answer, honey? I did the first one. What did you do?
Because you did a sloppy job.
I did a sloppy job. So I said, fine, honey, you do it. And there she did. She jumped in. She's doing it. Right, honey?
I didn't like how are you doing?
So?
You do not pay attention to details. Details is very important.
Okay, well, that's why you're doing it, honey. It's looking good so far. She's getting all the ground set. She's already put. But mind you, I'm the one lifting the stones there, so you know I am doing the heavy lifting.
I did.
You did too, yes.
More system.
And there's more flagstone. So I gotta run to the store to get some supplies and upstairs. This makes the close of another little moment on the farm. Again, as always, do subscribe if it's the first time you've been here. Like that video if you like it. You know, it helps with the old algorithm with YouTube. Helps us, you know, grow a little bit. We're just getting going here, as you can see. And of course, most importantly, if you want to stay up on what we're doing, hit the notification bell, and we'll pop in and say hi once a week. That's what we try to do. Get up here once a week, twice a week. And like always, we'll see you down on the farm.